Hello, in front of me I've got Realme 10. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display and brightness, and right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change display mode between light and dark. Also you can enable auto switch for dark mode and change dark mode style, enable or disable adaptive contrast, adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, and enable dark mode for apps. Next, you can change brightness level of the display manually or via auto brightness. Then, you can change screen color mode between Vivid, Natural, Pro, Cinematic, Brilliant, and also you can change screen color temperature. Then, you can enable or disable eye comfort mode, schedule it, change screen color temperature, and display effects between color and black and white. Next, you can enable video color enhancer, auto rotate screen. You can change auto screen off between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. And then you can enable high refresh rate, standard refresh rate, or auto select refresh rate of the screen. In the end, you can hide notch for certain apps and manage full screen display for apps. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.